Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel. And today is the 15th lesson of script learning. I hope you are following all the lessons that I am doing in the script lesson series. If you have not watched, please go back to the previous video. Then you can watch this video. I'll leave the link here. We are doing kagunitha actually. So we have finished so far a and e. Today we'll be focusing on the three letters oo and ru sounding. So before that we'll do the quick revision, then we'll come to today's. So now I already know if I combine half letter with I'll get a sound of a complete consonant like a k, r, g, ch, anything from k to la. Similarly, if I combine k with a, then I'll get a sound of a sounding for all the consonant like ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, ya, ra. Okay? And yesterday we learned how to combine k with e and k with e. It's very simple. Okay? I'll write as it is and I write a small letter like a P next to that. So this is the sound that we learned. Today we'll be focusing on the two more. So how to write when I combine with O and O as well as Ru. So we'll learn three. So it's very simple. First we'll go to the O. So do you see that wave kind of a thing? In O and O will follow this one. So focus on this part like writing a O and the end part of this. Okay. So now I have a line. I want to write ku. First let me write ka. From here to the length of the letter. Do not go till the head. You can stop here. This is your ku. Now follow the same thing to write for a ku. I'll start like this. I'll do right same. I'll come down. And you'll make a small circle here. But do not do the circle here. This is not required. This is just a straight. Here we'll do the small circle. Okay? Understood? It's very simple. This symbol and this symbol. You'll be adding this. Now let me add this for letter la. Lu. Lu. Let me add for ma. Mu. Moo. Let me add for a verb. If you add for a verb like this, it will become letter ma. So you cannot do this. What do? I'll take it from the down. Vu and wo. This is very important to remember. Clear? So these are the things that you have to practice from ka to la. Please watch the next picture. So you will you'll get this kind of writing for all the letters. Make sure you practice that first, then you'll come for the words. So similarly, we have done for oo and the oo, right? So we have finished this one. So you have to try from ka to la, same everything. So it's easy to practice. Make sure that you practice n number of times. Now let me go for a ru sound. So here I have to write the ru. So this is my ru. How do I write? This is my ka. And below this, you'll add a symbol. The symbol looks like this. Where do I add? I'll add it to the right side. Right side of the letter, below the letter. So if this is my line, if I'm writing ka here, kru. So this is how you will write. You should not write somewhere like this. No. It is not a stylish letter. Now I'm learning a simple one. Clear? So if you want to write gru, chru, through. That's it. So practice this. Again for this also you have a picture. Practice from kru to ru. Okay. So now we have learned ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru for ka. So similarly till la, you have to practice ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru. Clear? So you have to practice these letters. Now let's come to the words. I'll erase this. I hope you remember. You should remember whenever you are reading the words, you should remember all the previous, these E sounding, all those things. So this is how I write ku, my ku, and kru. Okay, so now let's go to the words. So my first word, this is the, and make adu. Adu is that. Na, yi. Na is a dog. That is a dog. Adu na yi. It's very simple, right? Very good. Now we'll go for one more. E, that is the, I'll do the oo sounding. Idu, this. Mu, gu. Mugu is a nose. This is a nose. Idu mugu. Clear? Very good. Next we'll go for one more. Hridaya, heart. Badita. Hridaya badita, heartbeat. Okay, we'll go for one more. Do, that. Bha, ya, na, ka, va, da. Bhayanaka, terrible. Dhru, shage, yavatu, shya, drishya, scene. It's a terrible scene. Clear? So this is how we'll make a words, we'll form the sentences slowly. Okay? So now, after this is just a simple thing, an example I have given to you. After this, what you will do? You have a words. Words starting with the oo and you have a meanings. Words starting with the oo with the meanings. Words starting with the ru with the meanings. Then you have a sentences with the oo, with the oo and with the ru. So try to read and write. Read and write. Very important. I have given the meaning in English. Confuse ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Comment ಮಾಡಿ or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com so I can help you out. Okay? So practice ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. This is a very, you are in a very good level now. You are not in a very basic level. You are in a next step. So you should memorize and remember whatever we have done till now and try to combine that when you read, because we will be using the sounding and all when we do this. Okay, so you have to remember that very carefully and practice slowly. Okay, so see you in the next video. In the next video we will be learning for the next 3 more letters, A and I. Okay, so practice ಮಾಡಿ, doubt idre ಕೇಳಿ. Thank you so much. Namaste.
From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunitha, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.